Question 15. A river 120 wide flows at 7 meters a second and a boat can travel 25. It has to go straight across. The angle which its velocity relative to river makes with the bank. Okay, I'm going to do a little diagram here. So here's our river. It's, what is it, wide? 120 meters. Has to go straight across, so it's going to need to go this way to get back to here. And you can go at 25 and the river flows at 7. So using Pythagoras, the square root of 25 squared minus 7 squared is going to give 24. We've seen this before. So that's the velocity of the boat relative to the river. So we're looking at the angle that it makes with the bank. So actually looking for this angle in here, A. Alternate angles up here, this is also A. Or you could drop a line down here and put my 24 on there. So we'll use this triangle here. If we want this angle A in here, and we have my hypotenuse being 25, opposite A is the 24, 7 here. We do any of the ratios. The cos of A is equal to A over H. So the inverse cos of 7 over 25 is equal to 73 degrees, 44 minutes. And then the time taken to cross the river. So the speed in the J direction is what we've calculated up here, 24. So 120 divided by 24 is 5 seconds to cross the river. And that's question 15 done. Question 16. So we have a plane that has to fly 189 kilometers due east. Let's go in this direction. The wind is coming from the south, so the wind is coming up this way. So the plane is it's going to need to fly down this way to get back to this point here, which we can call A and B, or call it Galway and Dublin if we wanted, but we'll call it A for Galway and B for Dublin. The wind is blowing at 60 and the airplane can fly at 100. So that's like a 10 and a 6, which would make this one 8 or 80, or use Pythagoras. So the plane is going to have to fly east at 80 kilometers an hour, or due east at 80 kilometers an hour. That would be the equivalent. What else we asked? The time taken for the journey, and is it the same for the return? The time taken, well, what's the distance? 189. So 189 divided by my 80 is going to give me 2.36 hours, which will round off to 2 hours and 22 minutes and 2 hours 22 minutes. Now if it has to fly back, what's happening here? Here it is now. It's going this way. The wind is still coming from the south, and you can see here the diagram is going to be the same. So that's my 100, that's my 60, so nothing is going to change. This will still be 80. So no change. No, they're asking here, give a reason. No change, as there's no effect. We're dealing with the I direction here, west to east, so the wind is coming from the south. No effect on the I, therefore it'll take the same length of time going back.